For this lesson, I'm using the 1002 Share with Social Media Premiere Pro project file. You'll find this project file with the media associated with this lesson. Double-click on it to open it in Premiere Pro. As well as exporting to a media file, there's a good chance you'll want to share your creative work on a social media platform. Premiere Pro has built-in support for several platforms, so you can export the file and upload it to your page in one step. Let's find out how. I have a sequence open in my timeline panel called Going Home V1, version 1. I've clicked into the timeline panel to make it active so Premiere Pro knows what I want to export. And I'm going to go to File, Export, Media. For the format, I'm choosing H.264. There's a long list of options here. And if you have a specific format you need to export to, you can just choose it on the list. I'm going to leave the preset to match source high bitrate. I'm going to click on the output name to make sure this is going into my media folder. That's fine. I'll click Save. And now I'm checking the Publish tab halfway down this Export Settings dialog. We have a lot of options here. I'm just going to illustrate this workflow using Behance. I'll put a check in the box to enable this option. And you can see I've already logged into my account. You'll use your Adobe ID to log in to access Behance. I'm going to put in some metadata tags here that make it easier to locate and identify the video that you've uploaded. This is particularly useful on social media platforms where you want your content to be discoverable. And I'll just put a few in here: nature, travel, and maybe even holiday. I'll add a description. And I'm ready to go. Notice that the tags I entered are separated by commas, and that's quite important so that the server knows that they are separate metadata tags and not one long stream of words. I also have the option to delete the local file after upload, so if I don't particularly want a local copy on my computer, I can check this box to remove it. If I'm happy with those settings, I can click Export, and in this case, I'm just uploading to Behance. You could upload to all of these social media platforms in one step. So let's click Export. And now the file's created. Premiere Pro is going to upload it to the Behance.net website. It's as simple as that. Your new creative work is ready to be shared with the world, and it's already online, ready to watch.